So in this session we are going to talk about the labs, okay, Vlan Lab extension of our previous lecture. So I have got the setup over here, the two switches and the end devices. So first of all, just take a look. We are going to use Vlan 10, 20 and 30, and these will be the subnets that we are going to use. 1 and 2 168 10 for Vlan 10, 20 for Vlan 20 and 30 for Vlan 30. So first of all, we have to configure access and trunk ports on the required interface. So let's start with switch 1 over here. So FA0/6 will be a trunk port, as it is connecting to another switch, and from 1 to 5 it should be access port. So let's do that first. INT/0/6 switch port mode trunk. Now I will first create the VLANs and then decide which VLAN is supposed to be on which interface according to the diagram. So let's create the VLANs first. VLAN 10 and the name is sales. VLAN 20 name is admin. VLAN 30 the name is IT. So now the VLAN has been created, the required VLANs have been created. Now we are going to configure them in the required interfaces. So FA0/1 has VLAN 10. Interface FA0/1. Okay, switch port access VLAN 10. Okay, FA0/2 has VLAN 20. Interface FA0/2 switch port access VLAN 20. third interface also has VLAN 20. Interface FA0/3 switch port access VLAN 20. Fourth one has 30. Interface FA0/4 switch port access VLAN 30. Interface FA0/5 and VLAN 10. Switch port access VLAN 10. That's it for switch 1. Now we should verify it. For verifying, show VLAN brief. Now you see, for sales the VLAN is 10 and the ports associated are 0/1 and 0/5. 0/1 and 0/5. VLAN 10. For 20 it's admin. And the ports associated are 0/2 and 3. This is 2 and this is 3. And IT has VLAN 30, so it's VLAN 0/4. I mean FA0/4. So let's move over to switch 2. First I have to configure port over here. And the trunk port is supposed to be in FA0/6. Okay, yes, 0/6. INT FA0/6 switch port mode trunk. Okay, I'm not using the encapsulation command because in some switches in Cisco packet tracer it's not supported. So directly I'm going to switch port mode trunk. Okay. But in real devices, there is supposed to be, the command should be enabled. Some switches by default have .1Q trunking encapsulation, so we don't need to further add that command. So we should by default we should always see if that command is enabled or not. But if it's not enabled, then we should directly move to the next command, that is switch port mode trunk. So trunk is enabled. Then 0/1 has 30. So let's create the VLANs first. VLAN 10. Name cells, I think, yes. Cells. VLAN 20. Admin. VLAN 30. Name IT. Okay. Now INT FA0/1 switch port access VLAN 30. 30 done. INT FA0/1 2 VLAN 10 switch port access VLAN 10. fa0 slash 3 VLAN 20, 90 fa0 slash 3 switch port access VLAN 20. For 4 it's 30. Okay, 90 fa0 slash 4 switch port access VLAN 30. Exit 90 fa0 slash 5 switch port access VLAN 30. Everything is done, configuration is done. Now we need to verify. Show VLAN brief. Now 10 is for cells and it's in fa0 slash 2 102, yes. 20 in fa0 slash 3, yes. And 19 1 and 4 1 39 1 and 4. It should be twice, right? Okay. Let's make it again. 4 VLAN 50. Yes. I didn't see. Sorry. So my mistake. So the configuration is over. Now we'll try to ping from one PC. Okay. Now I need to set the IP address over here. The IP address is 10.5. Okay. First set the IP addresses of the computers. 20.5. 20.4. 30.7. 10.8. Okay, and this side 20.4. Not 9. Yes. Three dot two. Okay. Now, now we'll try to ping. Okay. First, I will try to ping one PC that's in VLAN 10 to one PC that's in VLAN 30. And 30 has, okay, let's try it over here. 30.7. Ping 192.168.30.7. It will not ping. We will not get anything. Yes. So we are not supposed to get anything because we are using different set of VLAN over here. That's VLAN 10 and VLAN 30, which means that they are both in different subnets. So we will not get anything. Will not get any ping information. And if I am trying to ping to a PC that's in VLAN 10, also 10.8. Ten dot eight. Let's see. We're supposed to get the ping. Yes, we're getting it. Now we have understood that we can ping to a computer that's in same VLAN. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's ping. Let's make this PC over here in VLAN 10. That's in VLAN 10. Okay, so we are going to use the IP address of 20.9. So let's see if that pings or not. Okay, now let's change it to 20.9, which will be in a different subnet because I'm using /24 over here. So let's name. Okay, now I'm trying to ping 20.9, which is essentially in VLAN 10. Okay, but I have used the IP address of 192.168.20.9, which is logically in if we go by logic, it's in different subnet. So let's see if we can ping 20.9, which is in VLAN 10. You're not supposed to get any ping information. Let's see. Just time out. Yes, we're not getting any ping information because this PC is in one subnet, that is 10.5, 10.0 subnet, 10.0 network, and this PC, although in VLAN 10, is using another subnet. So VLAN, same VLAN means in same subnet, but over here we are using a different network, a different subnet. So basically, although we are using the same VLAN, this subnet information is different. So we are not getting any ping. So our conclusion is that if you are using the same VLAN, strictly we should be using the same subnet. So by mistake, if anyone configures the IP address to be of some different subnet, we will not get any ping information, or we will not be able to communicate with that host. So this was the first session of Vlan Lab. Furthermore, I will be conducting many other sessions. So I hope this portion was clear. Thank you.